Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, the festive time for Navratri is over. I was completely relaxed with my family, friends, and completely enjoying and taking a break, obviously. So I did not watch Kantara yet. I'm going to be watching it over this week and then share my review, which is why the review is delayed for Kantara. But at least I can catch up on the teasers and trailers that I've missed. So okay, I am sat, I am ready, and I'm superbly excited for this one. This is Patriot, and we have legends coming together here. Huh? Mamuka and Lalita. Oh, Mamuti and Mohanlal together, along with Fahad Fasil. So this is a Mahesh Narayanan film, and this is written also by Mahesh Narayanan. So music and original score by Sushin Shyam. Oh, it's gonna be so good. And yeah, let's just watch this teaser of Patriot right away. All right. I think Kunchako is also part of this film. I could be wrong.
ഒരു കാലത്ത് ഇവർ ഒരുമിച്ച് നിയന്ത്രിച്ചതാണ് ഈ രാജ്യം. ഇത്രയും കാലം കൊണ്ട് അവർ നേടിയത് ഫോളോവേഴ്സിനെയല്ല, ഫെയ്ത്ത്, വിശ്വാസം.
What does this mean?
They are going to bring social score to people. മൊത്തം 3 പേരുണ്ട്. സാറിനെ തടുക്കാൻ കഴിയും.
Yeah.
Periscope.
Student laptop scheme laying program. Is that similar to Periscope?
Look at that star cast.
ഈ program അവരെ secretly watch ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്.
Oh, Darshana is also there.
അവർ വീണ്ടും ഒന്നിച്ച് എന്താവും വിഘ്നേഷൻ അറിയോ? Blast.
All high octane stuff, huh?
Tell him to complete the sentence. Great Indian traitor.
Look
or
at that film.
Patriot.
Yes.
Tell him to complete
Finally.
the sentence. Great Indian traitor or
Patriot.
patriot.
Oh, I like this music. Oh, this is going to be so epic. And I like that it's just, they've just teased, they've given a glimpse of the star cast and kind of set the tonality of the film. So yes, I'm invested. Let me stop this. There you have it. Finally, I get to see a new film with both these legends together. And the overall star cast is also amazing. And I liked how I think there's still the shooting of this is not over. Correct me if I'm wrong. So it's still developing. But it seems to me that this is going to be absolutely action-packed, and I really like Mahesh Narayanan as a filmmaker. He has so much clarity of thought in terms of how his particular film is supposed to look and feel. Because if you just see this one, it just does not give you anything about the story or anything like that. But this is going to be very sleek, very high octane, and espionage kind of thriller kind of film with this incredible star cast. And that the defense is going to be involved. There's going to be a lot of politics and media, so something that relates to the political scenario of the country. Like, are you a traitor or are you a patriot? Like, your actions define you, and I think the social credit number that will be given to every people is going to define if you are a traitor or if you are a patriot. I think that concept itself is blowing my mind, and considering it's a Mahesh Narayanan film, the story I know is going to be good. It's going to be engaging. So in the director we trust. I completely trust, and if he's bringing in so many people, he knows for a fact. Mahesh Narayanan knows for a fact all eyes are going to be on this. All eyes are going to be on this. And I liked how he did not overhype anything in the trailer. He's just given a glimpse and he's just given us the world. I like how this teaser was just teasing the world that we are getting into and how dynamic and action-packed it is going to be. It's going to be full of thrill, full of action, and full of mystery, betrayal, and whatnot. And it all ties to you being labeled as what? At the end of the day, with your actions, are you getting labeled as a traitor or are you getting labeled as a patriot? I think that for me, after watching this teaser, it feels like this is the bottom line. So I mean, the cast is blowing my mind. The director himself is blowing my mind. I mean, as an audience, what more can you ask for, right? So I am just sitting here, fingers crossed that this really, really works and we get a really thrilling film to watch and we are completely entertained. I know that the first pull definitely is that, oh, both legends are working together and they're going to be seen in the same frame. Then you have actors like Kunchako, you have Darshana, you have Fahad, and then you have Mahesh Narayanan as the director and the writer. So there's lots going on in terms of the pull of this film. But as we all know, at the end of the day, and that's why I love Malayalam cinema, because it's not only about the pull of the star, it's always about the story. So if the story is bad, I know people are just going to reject it and say that this was crap. They're not going to hold back. You guys, I'm talking to you guys. You guys are not going to hold back and say that, yeah, maybe it could have. No, you will say it's crap. That's why I love you guys. That's why I love you guys. Which gives, reviewers like us also confidence that if we don't like it and we say that it's crap, I mean, you're not gonna take it as hate. You're gonna be like, that's this person's opinion, it's fine. Which is, if this person is giving XYZ reason of why this was crap and it sounds logical, then yeah, it's fine. Let's move on. Let's agree to disagree and move on. So I think Mahesh Narayanan knows the pressure that he has and the expectation that we have as audiences. Then I love the way that this was not overhyped at all in terms of just giving us the glimpse of the world. So yes, fingers crossed, hope it works out, hope we get a great story, and I'm going to be waiting for obviously more and more material from this, and let's see, let the production and everything get over. So it's a long way to go, but I'm glad they teased this. So I'm gonna sign off now. That was my reaction. You guys let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you soon now on my next video. Bye.